Okay guys, let's begin the tutorial. So the first step goes like this. Okay, so first step, you got to lift your right leg. Okay, this is your right leg. Just do whichever side I'm doing. Do it this leg only. So legs up, then you will take it down. Okay. So guys, now let's start the next step. Next step goes like this. Okay, first you finish off with this step, right? So as you complete this step, you gotta take your left leg towards right side. Okay, so it goes like 1 and 2. And after that, you will take your right hand up and left hand goes down. Then drag your left leg front down and then you do this. Okay, with both the legs. Let's do it from the top. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4.
Next step, you gotta move towards right side and then kick with left leg, then come back, then take your hands on your chest, then 1 and turn forward. Okay, done. And after this you'll take your hands, left hand is here, then right hand like this, 1 2 3 4. With the left hand back, you'll do this and take it down, then roll.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Done till here. So the next step goes like, you are here, right? So you did this. Next step goes like, you have to take your hands up like, okay, you do the wave. Hand movement is, you'll simply do this. It's like how you ball in the cricket. So you'll do balling like this with left hand. And now you have to do it with left hand. Now the same thing, while doing this, you have to bring your left leg forward. So you are balling as well, bring your left leg forward, then stop. Now switch. Okay, from here you switch. Do the same thing right side. Now drop your ball with the right hand. Okay, so let's go from here. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, and 9. So let's go to the next step. I believe it here everyone got. So let's, next step goes like, so you're here, right? You take your hands up like this, and left hand near your mouth. Then you take your right leg away from you. Then you move down. Then bring yourself up. Okay, you just do this, rotate. So from here, what you have to do is, you just do this. Okay. So you do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after this step, you have to rotate like this. Okay, your hand goes like this and comes like this. So with rotation, it looks like this. Take your left. Okay, so you have to rotate with your right leg. Left leg, you just use it for the rotation like this. Then come back. That's it. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to the next step. Next step goes like, you did this rotation and came back like this, your hands are here. So the next step goes like, left leg, right, left leg will take your left leg up, then take your right leg up. Okay, you do this 4 times. First 2 times what you do is just take it like this normally. Next 2 times what you have to use your hands. Okay, hands goes like this and this. Okay, hands first left side and then right side. Both hands together. Now with legs you have to do the same thing. So first 2 steps is simple. Say next 2 steps 1 and 2. So if you do it together, both steps will look like this. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Then stop. Okay. So after this step, what you have to do is, you have to, hand movement is like this and bring it back. It goes like this. You're rotating like this and then bring it down. You're rotating and bring it down. Okay, so let's go. The next step, let's do the whole thing and let's show. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4, then 5 and 6. So leg movement is you take it towards right side, then take your right leg up. You take your left leg towards right side, right leg goes up. With hand movement it goes like this. 1 and 2. Okay, so when your hands will go down, right leg will move up. Done? Yeah. Okay, so the last step was this, right? So we'll take it back, then come back to the position. Done? So after this, the next step goes like this. Your hands on your chest. You take your right leg back and lift your left leg up like this. Okay, so the last step was this. You are like this, come back and then jump. Okay, you're bending your whole body backwards and lifting your left leg, and as well you're jumping. Okay, lift your right leg before only and jump. Okay, you do this and come back. Done? So the last step was this. Right, you came back, you did this and came back. Next step goes like left hand, right? Left hand you just wave. It's not even, yeah, it's a wave, you just do this. And while doing this, you have to take your right leg. Okay, right leg is here, right? You'll bring it forward to your left leg. So you'll do this with the hands and come back. Now the next step goes like, you have to use both the hands now. Both the hands you have to do like this. But first step what you did, right leg went forward, but now you have to take your right leg backward. Okay, so with hands it goes like 1 and 2. Okay, first time just one hand, second time both the hands. And one more thing you have to do is, after this, after first step, you have to bend for the second step. Done? Okay, so this. Okay, you finished with this step and came back. Your hands are, you have to take your hands in front. Okay, like you're riding a boat. Okay, then what you have to do is, right leg will move forward. Then you will bring your left leg forward like this. Once again, take your right leg towards right side. Okay, it's like 1, 2, 3. Simple. So once again, let's go. Right leg forward, left leg back, and then right leg towards this side. And after this step, next step goes like, you will just rotate like this. Once again, you take your left leg up. With your right leg, you rotate like this. Okay, so let's do from the top. It goes like 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, so after this, just after this, after you rotate like this, you'll bend down facing towards left side. Okay, so this is left side. After this, what you have to do, tap your right leg like this. Okay, 1, 2, you tap 2 times like this. So as you tap like this, you'll take your body up. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, as you do this, now one more thing you have to add on is, you have to use your both the hands. So do this 1 and 2. Goes like 1 and 2. After this step, the next step goes like, you just turn towards this side, and after you take your hands like this and move forward like how Tom and Jerry does. Okay, so just move forward like this and come back, just like that. Okay, so how we did 1 and 2, 3. Okay, let's go once again. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. You take your left leg back and turn your body towards left side, then towards right side, and come back. Okay, so after this step, you have to do this. Hand movement is this. So while you do this, you have to move back like this. 1, 2. Okay, you will move back like that. 1, 2. Okay, with hand movement once again. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2. Then after this step, you move down. Okay, you just move down. You do this and move down, and you have to bring your right leg forward. Okay, after this step, you take your both hands forward and take your heels, right leg heels. This is heels. So you turn towards this side, right side, bring it back, So with hand it goes like both the hands. You have to do this. Just how, just in which way your shoes go, your hands also must move towards same side like this. Okay, so you do this 1, 2. Then the next step goes like this. Your both hands are here. What you have to do is you have to do like this and get up. You have to do like this, get up, and then throw. Okay, you're taking this whatever ball. From the top, once again, 3, 2, 1, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5. Once again, you have now the next step. You gotta turn towards right side. Okay. This turn is simple. You have to just take like this. It will start from your chest. You have to take your hands like this and turn once again. Turn and do the wave, or just move, bend back and come front. Okay. You can just do this 1, 1, 2. Alright, so let's move to the next step. The next step is simple. You have to just move towards right side now. Okay, you finish the roll. You are back to the position. Now what you have to do is tap like this. Bring your left leg this side. Okay, so 1, 2. Okay, the next step is both the legs together, right? You will bring your right hand front and bend like this. Okay, bend like this. And once again from here, you have to take your left leg outside, bring back. Once again you have to do this. Okay, once again you will do this. And from here, for next step what you have to do is from left side. Okay, so I'm like this, right? From left side I'm turning back like this and coming back. Alright, so I'm here. This is left side. Sorry, this is right side. You will bend towards right side, come back like this from left side. Understood? So after this step, once again you will repeat the same step like this. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5. After this what you do is you just 1, 2. You just do 1. You just take your right hand downward, lift your right leg up. Now both the hands down and left leg up. After this what you have to do is roll your both the hands down once. Okay, you just roll here once. Then bring back, as you bring back your leg backwards. After this you have to lift yourself up. Do this roll up once. Then bring back your leg. As you bring back your leg, you move down and do this. Then come back. Okay, so guys, let's move towards the next step. So the next step was like, just take your right leg outwards. Simple, just normally take it outward. Then bring back your left leg. After this, what you do, you bend down. Okay, right hand will come forward and you will bend down. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, bend down. Once again, the same thing towards left side. You take your left leg out, bring your right leg towards the left leg, then bend down. Done. So let's do this whole thing once. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next step is you'll bend. You're anyways bend, but you'll jump towards right side like this. You'll face backward and come back. Okay, now you get up. Yes, the whole step is like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's do together. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so after this, once again, same step. You gotta move towards right side, down, left side, down. And after this, what you have to do is you have to lift your left leg up like this. Then both the hands will move towards left side, like how you row the boat. So it goes like this. And once again towards the right side, you will row the boat like this and come back. So it looks like this. 1 and 2. And after this, you will bend down. Left leg will go back. you rotate once. Then as you take your right leg back, your right leg is going back, right? So after this, as the right leg moves back, you rotate your both the hands up, then down and come back. Okay, so after this, the next step is also same, but now what you have to do is, you have to do with more energy. Okay, let's go. Now, before you are doing simply like this, now you have to add more energy. So let's go like this, jump, then this, then jump, this, then bend down, jump here also, then come back. Okay, so here also you're jumping hard, then coming like this, and this step also you have to do with energy. Okay, this 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, this step also you will do with energy, and once again next step, again as it is same, you will do with more energy. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The next step is the last step, so let's finish it up. So the last step goes like this. Both the hands like this. Okay, so you'll do like this. You lift your left leg up like this and face towards right side. Lift your right leg up. So the whole step looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done with the